The 2017 Clubman JCW is the first Mini to pair the new generation of its all-wheel drive system, known as All-4. As standard with the line's hottest engine, a 228 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, with a special JCW body package, revised suspension, a lower ride height, bigger wheels and brakes, and a more raucous exhaust system, the car looks the part of a hotted-up Cooper. Highs, funky flare, side-hinged cargo compartment doors, standard manual gearbox. Lows, unimpressive performance for the price, easily swollen sticker. Verdict, excels at style and singularity, short on space and excitement. When BMW relaunched the Mini Mark back in 2002, it put the storied English nameplate on a high-dosage prescription of more. More models, more performance, and more quirky charm. Mini's John Cooper Works. JCW Performance Division takes the standard versions and infuses those Minis with even more spice. Inspired by the original hot rod Coopers from England, Mini has developed JCW variants of the Cooper hardtop coupe, the Cooper convertible, the Countryman All-4 crossover, and, finally, the Clubman All-4 station wagon. The focus of this review: JCW buttresses the Clubman Cooper S All-4 with more power, a lowered suspension, and subtle exterior revisions. But more isn't always better, especially when it comes with the accompanying high prices that Mini charges. Indeed, buyer beware. The Clubman JCW is more proof that a Mini's price is the least Mini thing about it. Interest in a Mini product indicates a desire to drive something with a unique aesthetic, and a JCW version separates the more serious drivers from the crowd even further. But it comes at a price. Read. About $5,000 more than the S All-4, which is one step down in the Clubman lineup. We'd be betraying ourselves if we did not get the JCW with the 6-speed manual transmission. And any paint that is not red or white costs either $500 or $1,000, so add that to the ticket. The $750 cold weather package brings heated front seats, a must for anybody with a temp-sensitive tush. We'd also add the $1,800 premium package for better sound, a sunroof, LED headlights, and 40/20/40 split folding rear seats. Thus equipped, our Clubman includes all 4 all-wheel drive, heated front seats, rear parking sensors, a $2,250 technology package that brings an 8.8-inch touchscreen with navigation might also be a consideration, but only for those whose eyes don't continuously dart to the climbing sticker price. Without that, the final price with a $500 paint job comes in at $39,000.